Starter holds the button, gates open, they're up and racing as expected. Ascendant draws for your lead, running in second. Careless Moment moving a party outside, lit up with diamonds. Then comes Material World by the rail deputy Stravinsky. Then on the outside, Eurodollar together with Agnes Claire. Then comes Tennis Player second last, and Mystic Dragon is running at the tail of the field, about to pass the last 600. Ascendant in command by about 4 lengths. Running now in second is lit up with diamonds. Closing in third, Material World, Deputy Stravinsky, Agnes Claire, Eurodollar, Tennis Player, Careless Moment, and Mystic Dragon as they swing for home. Ascendant this time by about 2.5 lengths. Agnes Claire is on the outside to take second. Material World with the last 150 more to run. Ascendant maintaining a 3 lengths lead over Agnes Claire in second. And finally, from start to finish, it's Ascendant, Agnes Claire, Material World lit up with diamonds, Careless Moment for your pentapecta. Then comes Deputy Stravinsky.